We were down at the west end of Galveston at San Luis Pass, and a couple flagged us down because they were there all night and their Ram truck was centered on a log. You can see this log was long and the trunk-like end was under their vehicle, so trying to pull the log out really was not an option, or we'd create more damage. You find the best way to solve a problem is to really take the time and define it and look at everything. You want to make sure that we don't do anything that creates a bigger issue.
Right up against the drive, yeah.
Okay, the first thing we did is attach a soft shackle to the hitch receiver, never attached to a ball. And we did a short pull on an angle just to kind of move the rear end out, but then need to assess the next pull.
But we got the log now off of the drive shaft.
We needed to assess where to pull it next, somewhere around the driver's side door. So we got up underneath there and looked for a good spot to connect to the frame. Again, connected some soft shackles and then tried another slow pull, but at a different angle so we can move the front end out as well. Each one of these are a very short pull, not to create any additional damage. They let me know we just needed to move it about 6 inches more because it was just hanging at the edge of the frame. At that point, we had cleared the log and needed to make sure they had enough room to drive off.
Size of the vehicle here.
Once cleared, we pulled the log just to create a little bit more space. Then they drove off and we went underneath and inspected for damage. They were free with a small hole in their exhaust.